Morning, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Hello. And you. I hope you have a good one. How wonderful to meet friendly people, isn't it? It's absolutely superb, it is. I love it. I absolutely love it. See, I say I don't like being around people, but I love people. I love the joy and the love that they spread. And I detest the negativity that's created throughout life. I'm going to go up here out the way. We'll go around this bit and through here, out the way of all that mud and grime and stuff that's there, and get on out here. So this bit that we're just walking up now, you can see it, look at that up there. See, there's an old ruin up there from the 1200s. I don't know if you can just see it in the distance up there. Otherwise it's an absolutely beautiful place, woodland on the side of a field. Absolutely stunning place. No, if you come out in nature, you know exactly what I mean. You know exactly what I mean. It's the feel. It feels. Stand here. I might be able to hear the cars in the distance, but it's lovely. Anyway, let's get on this walk. Water. I can hear the water. I don't know if you'll pick it up on the camera. I can hear the water in the distance. Love the sound of water. Absolutely love the sound of water. It's down there. Can you see it through the trees there? I don't know if you can do. See if I can go down here one-handed in the mud. Down this way. Can you see a bit of the water down there? Oh, if I slip here, I go straight in. I go straight in. Let's go down over this way and have a look here. How stunning is that? How absolutely beautiful is that? I hope you can hear the water from here. You're going to hear it a lot in a minute. It's well flooded, is that? There's loads of water in there. Absolutely loads of water. That's normally half the size of that. Be swimming in there. A lovely bit to swim in. Hell of a current that takes you down that way. Because of the waterfall that's up there, it's what you can hear. Anyway, let's get on. Let's go around the waterfall. Let's try to get up this hill without slipping. Look at that. We are pros, we are professionals, straight up the hill, not one slip. Not one slip. How gorgeous is that? This is one of my favourite swimming spots, if you can hear me over the water. In this area, beautiful little swim up and down here, full of reeds, but the actual water that you can hear is this. Go up on that bridge in a second, get a few shots. How gorgeous is that? Listen, just listen. Look at it going over the edge there. I don't know if you can make it out, but look at the shape. Stunning, stunning. You won't hear me when I turn you around the other way. Just listen to that. Isn't that awesome? Isn't it unbelievable? Isn't it just absolutely unbelievable just to sit and listen to that? Just have a... Wow. Wow. Power of water, the power of nature, the power of nature itself. How you just can't. I can't get over it. I'm just in awe every single time. I mean, look at that. Look at it. The power that's there is phenomenal. It's phenomenal. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Even when it goes right around the other side, it's still. Anyway, can't stand here all day, can we? Let's keep going. Let's see how muddy it is down here.
Starts with a whisper, a voice deep inside.
Wow. Wow. It's just... Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's amazing to be alive. It's amazing to be alive. It really truly is. Let's go up this way. I'm going to turn you off my ugly mug. We'll turn you around so you can see what's going on around here, shall we? Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The smells is just absolutely out of this world. Just feeling the tree, just touching the tree, and wow, wow, wow. Yes, I know, I'm a freak. Oh well, never mind. Then if there hadn't been cars there, you know, I'd have gone in for a swim. Nothing like a cold water dip, especially in running water, but nothing like a cold water dip. It's a mind-blowing experience. If you've done it, it's fantastic. You don't want to go in when you know it's freezing cold. You don't want to go in. You get in. You feel the burn, you get out and you feel absolutely amazing, absolutely unbelievably on top of this world. Your whole body comes alive and you feel every tingle, every bit of it, every single part of it.
Starts with a whisper, voice deep inside, telling you dream bigger, there's no need to hide. The world's just a mirror, reflecting your heart. Change your thoughts and watch a new life start. What you believe is what you'll see. A mind set free holds the key. Change your thinking.
Forest one side, stunning river the other. Life is good.
Into peace, the fear into flow. Leave happiness wherever you go. Your personality's a script you can rewrite. Shape it with joy, let it burn so bright. No chains of the past, no weight of regret. Your life's a canvas, you're not done painting yet. What you...
One thing you got to remember in life, and it's something that we do every day but nobody remembers to do it, which is a strange thing to say, isn't it? But it's to breathe. But that breathing, now that's breathing. Taking it all in, letting it all out, and just being still for a moment. Just being still. Maybe cars in the background, and maybe a plane or a helicopter in the distance. But I can hear it. And I can also hear the silence, the quiet that's nature, the calm, the relaxation. I can feel the beauty. And just stand and be able to stand and breathe in silence with ourselves. For if it helps one person, just that one person out of millions, billions of people on the planet, just one person, then that means the world. Just the one person. That's all that's needed. That's all it takes. Look at it. Stunning, right? Beautiful, eh? Get yourselves outside. Get yourselves for a walk. No matter where you live, breathe. This is where the love is, in the breath. We fill ourselves with the breath. We fill ourselves with the love. And then we shine that love out to everybody in anything and everything we do.